Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us on your iPad. First, you'll need to download the Among Us application directly from the App Store. Once installed, make sure your iPad has a stable internet connection, as the game requires it for online play. After launching the app, you can easily create a new game or join one of the many existing lobbies to jump right into the action. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once in a game, you'll be assigned one of two roles: a crewmate or an imposter. As a crewmate, your main goal is to complete all your assigned tasks and work together to identify the one or two imposters among you. If you're an imposter, your mission is to sabotage the ship, eliminate crewmates, and avoid being discovered. You'll navigate using a virtual joystick and interact with objects via on-screen buttons. Communication is key in Among Us. When a body is reported or an emergency meeting is called, you'll enter a discussion phase. Here, you can chat with other players to share your observations, present evidence, and voice your suspicions. After the discussion, everyone votes for who they believe is the imposter. A majority vote will eject a player. Crewmates often find success by staying in groups of 2 or 3 or by carefully watching others. To enhance your Among Us experience, remember you can customize your character with a wide array of hats, pets, and colorful skins. This adds a fun, personal touch to your gameplay. You can also adjust game settings, such as player speed, imposter count, and the number of tasks to create unique game dynamics. Experiment with different strategies, whether you're a cunning imposter or a diligent crewmate, to significantly improve your overall win rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.